Hi, I'm Paris, and my favorite piece of exercise equipment at the gym is the stationary bicycle. Why? Because I can do other things while I'm exercising. I can chat with people, I can play words with friends, Paris TX if anyone out there still plays. But what if you turn that around and instead of passing the time while exercising, what if you exercise while you're doing other things? Well, that's just what the folks at Flexispot had in mind when they designed the Deskcise Pro and asked me if I would like to try one out. This combination exercise bicycle, work desk, and standing desk was an Innovation Award honoree at the most recent CES Awards, and I'm very excited to try it out. EpicReviewGuys. Took me about 5 minutes to unpack it to this point, and it is heavy, about 75 pounds assembled. From the reviews I've read though, it's because it's very well built. The instruction book is included, batteries, a bolt, Allen wrench, and these plastic pieces, I'm not sure what they are. And the desktop itself, it's got to weigh over 20 pounds because it has built in a whole bunch of different ways that you can adjust it so that it's comfortable for you, and it can support your weight leaning on it, whether you're cycling or standing up. Supposedly it's a very quick install, just about 5 minutes or so. They only include the one tool, and there aren't a lot of pieces that you need to attach, and then the rest of this is telling you the different ways that you can use it. The Deskcise Pro goes for about $499. You can find out more about it at the link down below this video. Let me see how long it takes me to assemble this. Well, it took me 6 minutes to assemble. Might have taken 5 if I had read the instructions before I got started. I love this seat, very cushy. This is the resistance. I put the included batteries in under the cup holder, and I'll have to read up on exactly what this can measure. One of the rubbery things that I didn't know what it was is actually a soft cover for the pedal so that you can use it barefoot. And the desk has a very nice wrist rest cushion. And even though it's a solidly constructed 75 pounds, there are 4 rollers that make it fairly easy to move where you want. As you can see here, just like with an office chair. Now there are a number of points of adjustment. Let me see if I can find them all. I think I need the desk up first. No, that's front back. There we go. That goes really high. Don't need it quite that high. These are all pneumatic adjustments. That's nice. And then I think this is the front. Whoa, way back. Oh, that's right. It comes all the way back so you can use it as a standing desk. So let's put that all the way front. And to pedal, I'm going to need the seat higher. I think that's got a pneumatic one as well. I'm just here squeezing things. Whoa! Yeah, there we go. Now I like this because I don't feel at all unstable. This, I have no feeling of that whatsoever. Hey, I'm already pedaling and not even realizing I'm doing it. And let's give it some resistance. 2, 3, oh, I feel that. 4, that's 4 of 8. After the 8 there's a plus. Not sure what that means. I like the way the seat supports me. I don't really feel the lack of back support. But I could just push it back up against the wall if I really needed that. Let's see how much stuff I can fit on this desk. So what have I got going on here? Have my laptop. Got a Texas magazine and a community newspaper, along with the reading glasses, cell phone, and the all-important remote control. So quite a bit of desk space. And down here, the display will show you the time you've spent cycling, how many calories you've burned, the distance you've gone. I don't know about having the cup holder down there between my legs, but it doesn't seem to be having any trouble. Now you've got all your stuff set up how you like it, but you're tired of bicycling after 20 or 30 minutes, but you still want to work in this workspace. You can raise that up all the way and then pull it back all the way. So with the desktop pulled all the way back, you can still use the wrist rests, still do your work, or as they show on their website, you can walk around to the other side, lean on the table, and look fashionably cool at your standing desk. And when it's time to put it away, slide it back there, push that all the way down, put the seat, all the way down. Use the included hex wrench to remove this one bolt. Lift the desktop off. Roll the main body of the bike onto its side. And with the hex wrench, depress this spot for each leg. And if I had an extra hand, I'd show you. You can then take this and lay it back in so it'll all be flush with the body. And that's what I wanted to show you about how the legs will fold back in flush with the body. And with those few disassembly steps, that's all the room it takes up when you're not using it. That is one cool exercise bike desk, standing desk combo. Thanks so much to Flexispot for sending me one out to try. The Deskcise Pro felt very stable while I was getting on and off of the bike and while I was using it. And in just a couple minutes time, you can take it apart so it takes up almost no space. Price for that is $499. Find out more about it at the link down below this video. And I'll see you, hopefully looking slimmer, on the next review.
Epic